Hi everyone, today's topic is geological background of our country, India. Our country, India, lies in the northeastern side of the northern hemisphere. This is the thing which we have discussed in our earlier session. In this session, let us know about the location of our country and its features. So children, you have learned in your earlier classes, that is in the 9th class, you came to know about continental drift theory. In the continental drift theory, you came to know that there will be plates located internal of the earth. They will be continuously moving and they will collide with each other. These all things you came to know in your 9th class. So our present day land masses, that are our continents and the countries, are together like a ball, like a piece of same land mass. But after thousands of years, what happened? They buckled up with each other and they got separated. See children, you can look at this circle. You can consider this circle as a landmass. So the world landmasses are originated either from Angara land or the Gondwana land. These are considered as the oldest landmasses of our world. This Angara land is towards the north side and this Gondwana land is towards the south side. So in this Gondwana land exists our country India before, not now. It is now located in the Angara land. Why it is happening like that? Why in Gondwana land in the past and why in the Angara land in the present? Because of plate tectonic theory. This theory also you came to know in your 9th class. You know that there are 7 plates. They will be moving and we won't move along with it. Just the plates will be moving. And as the plates will be moving, so on a certain point, they will come and collide with each other. When they collide with each other, the natural disasters happens. That maybe you may call it as tsunami, you may call it as earthquake or volcanic eruptions. So children, you can look at here. This is the Eurasian plate and this is the Indo-Australian plate. So the present day Australia and India was together in the Gondwana land in the past. So when this Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plate got collided at a certain point, in between this Angara land and Gondwana land exists a sea called Tethys Sea. So these two are the land masses and these are the water bodies which are filled around. When these two plates got and collided with each other, the Tethys Sea, which is in the middle, got elevated. It went to the elevated part and the present day Himalayas are formed. When this got collided with the immense collisions, these Himalayan mountains raised to the higher elevation, and as a result what happened? A cold folded mountains are formed, and these Himalayan mountains are called as young folded mountains. Why these are called young folded mountains? Are there old folded mountains? Yes, there are also young folded mountains and old folded mountains. Old folded mountains are the mountains which are formed 200 million years ago. Young folded mountains are the mountains which are formed 200 million years below. So these are the young folded mountains. And these Himalayan mountains are covered with snow and ice throughout the year. They are glacier based. What is a glacier? The huge masses of ices are called glacier. As the glacier melts, the river forms. So what kind of rivers forms is a question. Those rivers are called Himalayan rivers or else they are called as perennial river. What kind of rivers children? Perennial rivers. The meaning of this word perennial is the rivers will not have any summer dry ups. From Jan to December they won't dry up. They will be filled with water. And what are the names of the rivers which are perennial? Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra. These are the 3 perennial rivers which don't have any summer dry ups and will be filled with water. And when a river is flowing with a greater elevation, with a greater height, and I have told you that the glacier is base, most of the perennial rivers took birth from the Tibet and either they will be flowing to the east side or towards the west side. In the process of their flowing, they will bring all the mud, sediments, silt along with it, and they will be depositing, mostly they deposit in the northern part and they form the great northern plains. So this is about the perennial rivers and our geological background of our country, India.